Have you ever wondered how far one would go for a wheel of cheese? A steep hill, a 7-pound wheel of double Gloucester, and a crowd of daring individuals. This is the setting of the annual cheese rolling race in England, a tradition nearly 2 centuries old. The race begins at the top of Cooper's Hill near Gloucester in southwest England. Participants gather, their eyes fixed on the prize, a wheel of cheese. The moment is tense, hearts racing, adrenaline pumping. Then, with the release of the cheese, the race is on. Down the hill, they dash, the cheese leading the way. The terrain is treacherous, the ground hard from recent dry weather. The racers stumble, they fall, but they get back up. It's not just a race, it's a battle against gravity, against the incline, against one's own fears. In the year 2023, amidst this chaos, emerged a champion, a 19-year-old woman from Canada, Delaney Irving. Despite being knocked unconscious during the race, she emerged victorious, clutching the coveted cheese. Her win was as inspiring as it was terrifying, earning her the title of the bravest cheese chaser of the year. On the men's side, the winner was Matt Crawler from Manchester. He embraced the chaos, navigating the rough terrain with a strategy less about training and more about resilience. These are the key events of the cheese rolling race, a race that challenges the participants, tests their courage, and rewards them with nothing more than a wheel of cheese and a story to tell. A story of their daring adventure, their triumph over the hill, and their moment of glory. So remember, sometimes it's not just about winning, it's about the journey, the struggle, and the cheese at the end of the hill.